Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Many Android phones enable haptic feedback for navigation buttons by default. The back button vibrates because the system maps touch events to short motor pulses. That tactile feedback confirms input, but can waste battery and feel intrusive during extended use. You can disable haptic feedback globally for all system controls. Alternatively, you can turn it off only for navigation gestures or particular apps. I will show clear steps in settings, per app controls, and an accessibility approach to stop the back button vibration now. Open Settings and go to Sound and Vibration or Sounds and Haptics on your phone. Find the haptic feedback, vibration feedback, or navigation haptics option and toggle it off. If your phone labels controls differently, look under System or Gestures for navigation settings. After switching off, test the back button to confirm vibration is gone. If vibrations persist, restart the phone to clear cached processes. This method disables system haptics without affecting media or ringtone volume controls. Some apps provide their own haptic controls inside the app settings. Disable them there. Use accessibility, then interaction controls to reduce touch feedback system-wide if your phone offers that option. For persistent vibration issues, boot into safe mode to determine if a third-party app causes the motor pulses. You can also check developer options for vibration-related toggles or reduce vibration intensity in sound settings for granular control. After applying fixes, test navigation gestures and the back button to confirm vibrations stopped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.